Hello guys and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the new audio updates in Adobe Premiere Pro. Number one, over here we have the audio fades in and the fades out. So if I slide this down, you can see this fade in and fade out option over here. So I can now adjust my transitions using these fade ins and fade outs. I can also adjust it in area of the height and area of the length to determine the strength of the fade in and the fade out that I prefer. Also, through the power of AI, Premiere Pro can now detect if an audio is music, or if it is vocals, or if it is ambience, or if it is background music. Now all you need to do is to click on it and you will get instant access to the most relevant tool for that audio type. But if you think Premiere Pro has selected the wrong audio type for you, all you need to do is to come over here. For example, Premiere Pro has selected this as music, which is correct for me. You can see the music file over here. But if it is not music for you, if it is vocal, you can come over here and change the audio type by clicking click audio type to whatever you prefer. I'm going to leave this as music. Another new feature is the effects badge over here. You can just right click it over here and you'll be greeted with options like how to increase the volume, the panel, and to add more effects to your audio over here. So once you click add effects over here, it's going to open the effects tab for you, and then you can apply more effects to your audio files over here. Another cool feature in Premiere Pro is the remix tab over here. With this, you can come over to your audio file over here and extend your audio file over here. And Premiere Pro is going to automatically recognize cuts in between your clip and extend the duration of your audio file to match the duration of your video clip over here, as you can see these cuts over here. Another thing you can do when selecting a music file is to select audio docking. So if I select this audio badge over here, I can come over here and select audio docking. And the moment I do that, I'll also select generate keyframes. The moment I select generate keyframes, Premiere Pro is going to automatically dock my audios to make my video sounds clearer. So what this is going to do is, this is my vocal over here and this is my audio file. So areas where I'm not speaking, the audio is going to go louder, and areas where I'm speaking, the audio is going to go lower, and this is going to help my audio sound way clearer. Another thing you can always do is to go over to browse over here, and you will have access to over 75,000 stock audios from Premiere Pro once you have your license. You can also select your dialogue file over here, and under your dialogue settings over here, you can always select enhance speech to make your audio sound like it was being recorded in a professional studio. As you can see, this is automatically being enhanced. Another cool feature in Premiere Pro is under the loudness settings over here. You can select auto match over here, and what this will do is that it's going to automatically adjust the loudness of all the entire audio clips on your sequence. So once you select the loudness and auto match, this will even out the audio levels across your sequence in one click to even out the louder and the quieter portions of your audio. And that's it guys on the new audio updates in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and see you guys in my next tutorial tomorrow.